So I just created this very beautiful storybook generator, generated this storybook for me. I can close the library, and then I can say the two best friends. That's the title. Let's say the topic of my story, or the title of my story. So leave the cat and down the boy. So it's asking me what kind of painting I want, it will art style that I want. So it's a children's book generator, and it's super simple. I'm going to show you how I created this step by step without missing a single step from it. So if this is your first time of visiting this channel, my name is Ayobami Drojaye, and this is AI Dev Rush. If you like videos that concerns AI development using AI, don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime we drop an awesome video just like this one they're about to watch. So it's generated already, so look at it. So, and it can also read to us. So I'm going to click on this for it to read to us.
Once upon a time, there were two best friends named Leo the cat and Dan the boy.
So you can read to the children. So that's how you're going to read it. And the graphics to look extremely beautiful. So let's get started. We're using Google AI Studio by Google. And what we're going to be using is this thing called Builder. And when I get to Builder, I'm just going to type in my idea. I'll say, create me a children's book generator. So I'm going to start with just this simple prompt, and then we can build on it as soon as Gemini finishes. If this is your first time of using Google AI Studio, you can check other tutorials that I have made on Google AI Studio, where I taught you how to log into Google AI Studio and then use the Gemini. So Google AI Studio is an app created by Google for us to test our AI apps. It's basically useful to test AI app and also test other models. It can be used to, we can use it for different things. So let me go to Google AI Studio so that I can show you other different things that you can do with Google AI Studio. You can use Nano Banana. So this is the playground where you can test all the models. You can use the Google Gemini 3 Pro Preview. That's the newest model. You can use the Nano Banana Pro. You can use the Flash. You can use the Live. This Live, you can share your screen with Gemini. Probably you are trying to, let's say you are trying to learn something. You can share your screen with Gemini, and Gemini will tell you, okay, this is how you're supposed to do. This is what you're supposed to do. You can also use it to generate images and video. Although for this video, you need to have the paid version, the paid video. the paid API to use it, and then you can also use it to generate audio. I'm going to be doing some videos on Gemini specific very soon, so if you're interested in that kind of video, do well to subscribe to this channel, like, share. Thank you very much for subscribing. So let's go back to our storybook and see what has been done. So I'll say allow. So it's now saying what is the topic. Let me see. It's giving me an example. Let's just use the example. A space journey and the lost kitten. So we're testing it. So early readers, toddlers, kids. So let's use it as, let's do early readers. Okay. The main character should be, let me use the word Daniel. Should be the which art style do you want? I want the 3D pixel style, and then I'll say generate. So he says AI wizard are crafting special adventure. It usually takes 30 to 60 seconds. That says within a minute it will be done. So he's writing the things that he's doing, that he's painting the pictures, so he's going to write our pictures, and let's see it soon. All right, so our book is ready. So it also has ability to read the books to us. Well, let's open the book.
This book is called Daniel's Cosmic Rescue. Cosmic Rescue by
So
Luna
I
Starlight.
think I pressed it twice, so let me just, okay. So now let's read this. I wait for it. It says once upon a time in the backfield, so it should read for me. And then, so it's
Once upon a time, in a backyard filled with fireflies, a brave
So I want
boy
to look
named Daniel found a map hidden inside a hollow tree. The map was made of shimmering silk and showed a trail leading straight to the stars.
okay.
A lost kitten.
Space or arrows to flip the pages. So let me see. So this pages, so I want to look at it if it has consistent character. It looks consistent. Let's see. It's consistent. But this is consistent. It's consistent. So this is it. That is Comic Rescue. So this is the book. Although the word Daniel, Space Journey, and the Lost Kitten is not showing properly. So let me see. Let's see if you can convert this thing to a flip book. So I'll say, can you convert it to a flip book? So let's try to convert it to a flipbook. So let's do it again. A space Jenny the last so we are using down here. So let's leave it at this, and then we're using the 3D pixel style. So let's generate again. So when this happens, something like this happens, it shows that there's a network error. Usually that's what happens. Okay. I'm going to change it now. Off to and length. So okay. So this is you, lion, and Lily, the cat. Okay, so it's ready. So I think it's looking more like the 3D flipbook. That's a 3D like effects, but still quite not like the way I want it. But I think it's manageable, and we can use the arrow key and the space key for it. And the images are not bad. This is a watercolor image, by the way, not the not the 3D. So we can close it. So how do you make money with this? That's the question you can ask. You can convert this to a SaaS, that's the software as a service, or you can also make it that you generate books like this, and you ask it to you download it, you make it an app, a storybook app for children, like a kids learning app for children. So if you enjoyed this video, if you have watched it for this long, don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I drop an awesome video like this. The truth is, AI can make you a lot of money if you can just pay attention to it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.